Well, here we go. We've got our own little piece of tropical, well, I don't want to say trouble, but a helper. Yeah, tropical helper really is kicking up the chance for rain across the valley. It's already been doing it. Maybe you've received a 1/10 of an inch or a 1/4 of an inch of rain over the last day and a half. Now we're going to continue that on through the next day, day and a half, and so on and so forth. Look at the radar. It's all pretty much just swirling and swishing around. The influence of that low will continue to die away little by little over the course of the next few days, though. Check out FUTURECAST high-res version overnight tonight. Here you can see just a couple of dots for some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder. It's certainly possible. Going on into the morning hours with just about a 50 to 60% chance of some light showers. Not showing up very well, though, on FUTURECAST. 76 overnight tonight. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Now, that chance for showers and a rumble of thunder is there tomorrow as well. You go 85 degrees by noon, near 90 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and that 60% chance for a shower or thunder shower remains in the forecast. Let's talk about what's causing this, and that is our little tropical troublemaker, tongue-in-cheek there. This trough of low pressure, it's tropical in orientation, and it's always, at least for the last few days, had a chance to develop into something more. But we kind of been thinking, no, it's just going to be a rain generator for us. And what it's doing is it's pushing energy and moisture back on in toward the valley. It's creating an environment, a good environment for rain development for us, and will continue to do so. And now it's going to continue to slide on to the south-southwest on into Mexico. But as it does, it's going to continue to push it on in. And that keeps the chance for rain in the forecast through tomorrow and on into Wednesday as well. Take a look at FUTURECAST. I know it's not showing up as a whole lot, but it's not supposed to be a whole lot. It's just going to be here and there. Now, we do have the potential, though, I have to say this, for isolated downpours. That's why we're reminding you to watch out for the usual suspects. You know, that intersection, that back road, that frontage road that always seems to flood no matter how little it rains. That's going to continue to be a problem through this forecast for the whole week. So just keep your eyes open. Now, and watch out for the lightning, too, as well. With this tropical nature, it's basically flicking on and off here and there. So that's something to consider as well if you're going to be playing or working outside. A severe threat? I just don't see it. We're in the general thunderstorm category here through tomorrow, and that's it. Then we talk about, driving, slow down and leave extra space between you and the next car. Don't drive over water-covered roads. And then, of course, avoid sudden stops because there's somebody probably behind you that would appreciate a slow down. Now, FUTURECAST rainfall, how much rain might we get? This has been pulling back over the last several hours that we earlier saw potential amounts, ½ inch, inch and a half. It's pulled back significantly on through the middle of the week. This is through Wednesday. You can see just a few added 1/4 of an inch readings, 1/10 of an inch, 100th of an inch, and then you get out west, maybe an inch on into Zapata County. So the trend at least is in our favor. The amount isn't. So the trend takes us on through Wednesday and then back up on Friday. We're back to a 60% chance, and then we start to whittle away on into the weekend. You can see we're ahead for rainfall totals for the month so far, except for McAllen, behind. But we're ahead, but we're not so bad off that we're thinking, uh-oh, there's a serious flood risk. It's just the street flooding that's the risk. As far as risk in terms of the tropics, wowzers, look at all that's going on out there from Africa, more developments, and we have more tropical storms, including Tropical Storm Teddy, but those are all going to be fish storms, or at least not a threat to the valley, out in the Atlantic. And then, of course, we have Sally, and we have our tropical stuff going on near us. And Sally is going to continue to make its way onto the northwest. Take a look at the hurricane tracker and see it's a Category 2 now, and expected to make landfall near, say, Mobile, potentially, and then that's Wednesday morning. So it's going to be a slow move on up through the middle part of the week and then push on in. So this is going to be a bad deal for those folks around Pascagoula, Gulfport, Mobile, and such. The 7-day forecast shows that we are going to just enjoy a good chance for showers. There will be a coastal flood advisory in effect for tomorrow morning, though, because of all that's going on the Gulf. So if you're going to go to the beach, be careful out there. Otherwise, just enjoy the chance for rain.